Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Fayy Lenee, and if you are not new here, thank you so much for coming back for another video. So for today's video, as you guys can already see, I'm going to be doing a clean with me. I'm sure most of you guys are cooped up in your houses as we're waiting for all of the craziness to kind of blow over and just see, you know, what is going to happen in the coming weeks. So I figured this would be the perfect time to get some stuff done around the house since I am working from home. But before I jumped into the video, I just wanted to pop on here and just kind of do a pulse check with you guys. I hope all of you guys are, you know, in good health, are able to stay home, are able to work from home. I know that there's a lot of just mixed emotions about everything that is going on, which I can completely understand. Me and my husband, we are just trying to stay in the house as much as possible. Luckily, in the area that we live like west of Atlanta, so we don't live in the city. We live like a little bit outside of the city, and we haven't had any confirmed cases out in our area, so we are very lucky to be in, you know, kind of a more small town area that doesn't really have a ton of hustle and bustle going on. But I know some other areas are not in as good a shape as we are, so I hope all of you guys are staying safe. Please, please, please do your best as much as you can to just stay home. Like, honestly, that is, I feel like, the best thing that we can all do for each other until we have more information on where we stand with everything that's going on. So that's exactly what we're doing. So I just wanted to pop on here and just kind of check in with you guys before I jump straight into the video, just because, you know, it can kind of seem a little like, what? To just kind of continue as usual without addressing what's going on. So let me know down below how you guys are doing. Like I said, I hope all of you guys are doing well, are in situations where you can stay home, work from home, you know, and all of that good stuff. So definitely let me know down below how you guys are doing. But outside of that, you guys can see my house is not really a mess, but I have some cleaning that I can definitely do. I feel like I'm constantly cleaning up, but we did cook recently. I have some dishes in the dishwasher that I need to unload. I figured while I do that, I'll just set up the camera and kind of let you guys watch me clean. Hopefully it'll give you guys a little bit of motivation to get some cleaning done around your house. And yeah, let's get into it.
That's good.
Fenty.